Bet you won't be mad. Take a little more time. Catch a little sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. Wave it like a riptide. Feel it on the inside.
Trying to brush my hair more. The end. Okay, here's the thing about being a mom and a, you know, someone on camera when you have to film. Before, it would be like, oh man, I really don't feel like filming today. I'm gonna, you know, do some other things. And then now it's like, oh no, this is when the sitter is. I have a sitter twice a week for just a few hours, and this is when I have to film. And my child has been waking me up for the last 4 days. Thankfully, he slept till 5:30 today. That was a blessing. I feel like a new woman. Can't decide if I like my hair better brushed or unbrushed. But you're supposed to like brush your hair, I recently heard that. Okay, I feel a little funny when I do videos about style or fashion or something like that because I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm the last person who should be making this video. But it's been highly requested. See, I can't even figure out what do I do with my hair. What do I do with it? It's been highly requested. Hey, Hannah, love your style. Would love to see more fashion videos. Oh, from moi? This is my summer wardrobe. This is, you know, I wear this stuff on repeat. This stuff is like, I pulled everything out of my closet that I wear, basically. Like, pretty much everything I wear in the summer. I do a lot of dresses because I really like not having to style much. I don't like having to like put an outfit together because it's just my brain doesn't work that way. But I like putting on a cute, funky dress or something with sleeves or something that's cute, and I like that I can just put it on. Also, yes, I am a mom of 2, and I am not the mom to wear leggings around the house. I just can't do it, no judgment, but like I have to get dressed for the day, and I don't think leggings are comfortable. I don't understand. It's really hard for me to understand why so many people wear leggings. I find them so uncomfortable. Like they're always like sagging and then you're like pulling them up and just, I'd much rather wear an outfit, like an actual outfit. The day has not started until I put an outfit on. And I, of course, want to be comfortable because I'm constantly taking care of children. But that doesn't mean I have to sacrifice my sexiness or my cuteness, and I could still find me. And I think it's really actually important for mothers to continue to style themselves every single day, whether that's like simply with a little dress that they thrifted or something, because it could be a beautiful creative expression that you might be lacking in many areas of your life, to feel like you can be sort of like this beautiful center of attention, or you can be, I don't know, something worthy of dressing, and hence me trying to brush my hair more. Because I heard it's good for your hair. I don't know. Look at this. I barely even wash my hair, guys, so don't take beauty tips from me. I do a lot of thrifting. No, let me rephrase. I have many thrifted items in my closet. I don't go thrifting all that often. I actually find it quite tedious sometimes. And then I come home having spent $100 and I go, how did I spend $100 at a thrift store? Because thrifting is weirdly expensive now. And, hold on, let's get some volume here. I regret brushing. Oh, now it's all frizzy. I live in a dry place, you guys. There. No, I have an idea. It's better, right? Yes, that's where we're at. Give me more. I like thrifted items because they tend to be a little bit more unique and you save a lot of money, and also it's so much better for the planet. Fast fashion is disgusting, you guys. And do I partake sometimes? Of course, I'm only human, but I really love buying secondhand. I think it's such a great way to just like not create so much demand for crappy clothes that cost $20 that are just going to rip in like 5 uses. Gosh, I got something from Target last year and it literally, I had to literally throw it away after 1 wash. So for example, this is a linen top that was gifted to me from Pine & Smith, and it is so cute. Look at these sleeves. It's very high quality and I really love quality pieces. Yeah, Pine & Smith, definitely check them out. You're going to see a few quite expensive pieces in this summer wardrobe. but I honestly don't spend a lot of money on clothes. There are 2.5 pairs of shorts that I wear during the summer. I'm going to show you 2 of them, and I just love like a good tuck-in with a sort of billowy blouse. I just love that look so much. I find it really cozy, but it still gives that high-waisted sort of 80s vibe. The only other clothing that I wear during the summer that is not shown would be like a baggy t-shirt for bed, ugly workout clothes. I honestly work out in my underwear most of the time because I find leggings so uncomfortable. And then, you know, I'll throw in a grubby tank top to go gardening. But this is it, guys. This is what I wear. This is what you asked for. This is what you asked for. Okay, that's it. Let's get into the wardrobe, and I hope you're having a fantastic summer. It's still summer, guys. It's not fall yet. Don't get confused by the marketing. It's still summer. Enjoy your summer.
Catch a little sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. See it in my mind.
Okay, I got these shoes last year and they literally go with everything. I wear them constantly. I just really needed a pair of like summer ballerina flats, and this dress I just got. It's incredibly see-through, so it requires a slip. It's from Doen. They were having a warehouse sale on my birthday, so I had to get something. It was like 70% off, and I can't stop wearing it. Something about Doen dresses, they're just so timeless and they are so beautiful. And this is a thrifted hat that no one likes but me, but I continue to wear it. This is my other Doen dress for this season. My mother got me a a gift certificate for my birthday. Look at that print. It's so beautiful, also very see-through, so it needs a slip. This is my uniform in the summer. This dress, I got it at a vintage shop last year. This is my, oh my gosh, it's hot as balls dress. I need to wear something that feels like nothing. It's sexy. It has like a low back thing. It has a really cool weird print and I love it. I love this dress. I wear it constantly. I just feel really cute in it. This is another one that's like, I don't know, I thrifted this and it's just got like a fun print. I don't even know what it is, but I wear it constantly on hot days. It's definitely a vibe. I got this dress when I was in college. I thrifted it, or a friend thrifted it, I don't remember, but it's been in my closet for 18 years. Like as long as I've been vegan, basically, because I went vegan in college, and I love it all the time. And this is a dress that my sister handed down to me. It's August the label. I swear it does fit. It's just hard to zip. And you know, it only fits when I'm like 2 years postpartum. It's kind of tight around the waist, but it's like so beautiful and feminine. And I love the kind of peachy, like auburn color. It's so beautiful. This is a dress that I thrifted last year. It's super modest, very high neck, high back. It has the little puff sleeves. It's a very cheap material, but it looks like it's like a Doen design. So I have no idea where it's from. There's no tag. My friend gave this awesome thrifted dress to me last year because I couldn't stop complimenting her on it. And she's very sweet and generous and just gave it to me, and I'm obsessed with it. It has a super fantastic, fabulous print, and it's a little thick, so it's not like great for hot days, but it's definitely like an everyday dress. This is my final Doen piece in my summer wardrobe that I got for my birthday a couple of years ago. It's like such an investment, these Doen pieces. They really are so beautiful and flattering, and I love to tuck it in. It's just billowy and fun and light. These are my 2 swimsuits I wear on repeat from Andy Swim, and they are amazing. They hold me in, are very comfortable. I love throwing on this pair of Indigo Luna pants with my one pieces. Yes, sometimes I wear accessories. These are earrings, and this is a top that I got from a vintage store. I don't really have much to say about it, but I really like this outfit. And I also love the shirt from Lisa Says God. I got it on their like sale several years ago. It's so cute and fun and unique. I really love anything bright and colorful that's gonna give like that pop and like, where'd you get that shirt type of thing. This is a fully thrifted outfit that gives like 1990s summer garden magazine cover, or like on a yacht, I don't know. This is my Pine & Smith shirt that I told you about. I love this brand. Beautiful, beautiful clothing, and you can just wear it with anything. You can dress it up or down, and it's just very comfortable. Let me know if you want more kinds of videos like this. I'm down to explore this concept, and also I'm gonna do that thing where I ask you to subscribe. Okay, bye.